In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain name at Hostinger. Whether you're starting a new business, launching a blog, or just securing a domain for future projects, getting the right domain is an important step in establishing your online presence. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's official website. Hostinger is well known for its user-friendly interface and competitive pricing, making it a great choice for purchasing domains, especially if you're also considering hosting services. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the option to log in. Click on login if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to create one, which is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. It involves entering some basic information and agreeing to the terms of service. Once logged in, you'll be taken to Hostinger's main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your domain and hosting services. From here, direct your attention to the main menu on the left side of your screen. You're going to click on Domains. This tab enables you to manage your existing domain portfolio and also to check the availability of new domains. After you click on Domains, look for an option called Domain Portfolio. Selecting this will give you a list of all domains currently associated with your account. This is also where you'll find the Add New Domain button. Click on this to start the exciting part of acquiring a new domain. Now comes the creative part where you can search and purchase a completely new domain. Here you'll want to think about not only the name itself but also the domain extension like .com, .net, or more specialized options like .blog or .design depending on your project. Enter your desired domain name in the search bar and hit search. Hostinger will show you a list of available options, as well as some alternative suggestions in case your preferred name is unavailable. Take your time to browse through the options. Once you find the perfect domain, you'll notice there's a purchase option next to it. Click on Purchase. You'll be guided through the checkout process where you can choose additional options like domain privacy protection. This can help keep your personal information private, which is a good option to consider. Finally, complete the purchase by following the payment prompts. Hostinger usually offers several payment methods, so pick the one that's most convenient for you. And that's it, you've now successfully acquired a new domain name with Hostinger. Keep your confirmation email handy as it includes important purchase details. You're now ready to start using your new domain to build your online presence. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made the process smoother and more enjoyable for you. Happy domain hunting!